We've seen a 20% increase just due to Rilla with that ROI. So it easily paid for itself just through the sales that we've generated. My name is Derek Cormier. I am the CEO and founder of Climate Experts Air Plumbing and Electric. We provide residential service, install, and repair for HVAC, plumbing, and electric. Some of the benefits on the KPIs that we saw immediately from Rilla was we had a technician that had a close rate and conversion rate as low as 10%. As soon as we implemented this, and after 30 days, we saw their close rate raise to 40%. When I first heard about Rilla, the biggest indicators for me is, are there any other established contractors that I know using Rilla? So I went to those contractors and they told me how it helped increase their sales, conversion rates, save time on ride-alongs. So right away with those professional referrals from established contractors that were some of the best in the nation, I thought it was a good decision to move forward with Rilla.
It's a great training tool for the technicians. We grab snippets that are positive and we really highlight, you did a great job on this. You can't do that if you don't have a way to capture that day to day, and it motivates the other team members to want to get to that level, to be recognized maybe even in the next meeting.
Sales tickets for the service technician that we have, he was around $550 per average sale, and after starting using Rilla for the last couple months, specifically focusing on him, he's around $950. So almost double his performance over the last couple months.
Since we started Climate Experts Air Plumbing and Electric, from the beginning every year, we've doubled our revenue. And the reason why we doubled our revenue is we've used new tools throughout the process that have helped us gain a little bit of an edge of our competitors. Through Rilla directly, we could see that our conversion rates and our average sale and our TOs generally showed us a 20% increase in our overall sales. So this year specifically, we're budgeted to do $8 million. Our stretch goal is $10 million. When we saw the ROI on sales that we made with Rilla and then conversion rates increasing and all of our KPIs, it was an obvious good decision for us.